Hello, I'm Matthew Francis, and I'm going to show you how to cook frozen shrimp so they're actually great and not terrible. These frozen shrimp are great because they're cheap, they're a lot of great protein, they're healthy, and they're easy to use. But one of the drawbacks is that they're kind of like tiny little sponges that hold on to water, and then when they're cooked, they get wrung out and that water goes all over your dish, and it can be kind of gross and they can taste weird. But fortunately, there's a little trick you can do to get rid of all that excess liquid, but still save all that great shrimpy flavor. This simple trick is gonna make your shrimp taste way, way better. So this method will work for two different ways. If you want to start from frozen and put them right into the pan, you can, or you can let them fully thaw in a sink with some running cold water until they're kind of more room temperature. And then from frozen, or if you thaw them, you want to put the shrimp onto some towels to dry them out. You can use real cloth towels or paper towels and put some more on top to kind of dab them dry. We're trying to kind of get any excess extra liquid out of the way. Let the shrimp sit in the hot pan for at least 1 minute on high heat. This is important because you want the shrimp to be touching the hot surface without being moved around so that they can start to release their liquid and thaw out and start to cook. And then for the next minute, you're gonna move the shrimp all around in the pan and get them agitated. That way the heat is going all around the various shrimps and more of that liquid will come out. And then that's 2 minutes total. So after 2 minutes, you want to take them out of the pan and put them into a bowl on the side so that liquid can continue to come out of the shrimp. And these shrimp, they might not be fully cooked, that's fine, they're not ready yet. We're gonna still cook them more, but what we're trying to do is still remove that liquid. In that bowl on the side, you'll start to see more of that liquid come out, and then you can strain that liquid away. And that liquid you can use back in the recipe later on, or you can reduce it and use in any kind of dish you want. But what's great is we have the liquid separated from the shrimp, and now they're alone, and they're dry, and they're ready to use for the rest of your recipe. So let's say your recipe calls for 2 cups of chicken stock. You can use 1 cup of your shrimp liquid and 1 cup of chicken stock to equal the 2 cups of liquid needed for your recipe. And then after you've done all that process, that's the trick. You'll be able to keep all of your shrimpy flavor, and then all you have to do now is finish cooking your shrimp in whatever recipe, so that it's not raw anymore and fully cooked. Okay, so now that we've done our awesome shrimp trick, I'm just gonna make a simple, easy recipe for lunch. Sauteed shrimp with garlic, chili, green onion, ginger, kind of like an Asian-inspired sauteed shrimp recipe, and it's gonna be delicious. Thank you for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to Allrecipes. We make a ton of incredibly helpful, delicious videos, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you don't miss any of the great videos that we do make. I'm Matthew Francis, and I'll see you next time.